Hi guys, today I'm going to be creating one of my favorite makeup looks with glamorous eyes and nude lips. Firstly, after some skin prep, I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Concealer in the shade number 4 medium to conceal the dark spots and dark circles. Then I'm going to apply full coverage foundation and I will blend it evenly with the beauty blender. After that, I'm going to apply some dark brown eyeshadow on the eyelid and I'll make a crease line with it. Then I'm going to apply some shimmery eyeshadow on the eyelid and I'll blend it near to the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to apply some dark brown eyeshadow near the lash line and I'm going to create a smudgy line for a smoky look. After that, I'm going to apply some black eye pencil near the waterline of the eye and I will smudge it with dark brown eyeshadow. I'm going to contour the nose with the Conatural Cosmetics contour shade and I'm going to apply some smooth winged eyeliner and mascara. After creating a lip shade with a brown lip liner, now I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Nutty Nude for a complete look. Here's the perfect glamorous makeup look with Conatural Cosmetics makeup products.